Good afternoon, guys. So today I'm just taking the dogs for a walk. I think it's about 5:30. Yeah, I had some friends from uni come over today, went swimming, talked a bit. It really got me thinking that I need to stay friends with my friends a bit more often, if that makes sense. Yeah, I need to organise things with my friends a bit more often because we don't really hang out that much, and then I feel as though we're drifting apart a bit too much if I don't actually make the effort to see them. Like one of my friends, Brooke, she's a uni friend. Apart from today, I haven't seen her since November last year, and it is currently the 12th of February, and she's a really good friend, and I used to see her all the time at uni. But because of holidays, I didn't really organise to see her. And it's fine during uni, like I'll see her in the term, whatever, all the time. But as soon as we finish uni in 2 years, I'm not going to see her, especially seeing she wants to move to Canada, and I want to move to London, and it won't really work out well if I don't organise to actually keep these friendships. And I know as you get older, you drift away from your friends even more because people move away, people start having families and stuff. And my mum told me the other day that I need to start making an effort to keep the friends I have and make an effort to make new ones. But I kind of just shrugged it off and was like, meh. But today really got me thinking that, yeah, I think I do need to do that. And I think everyone else should do that as well. Keep your friends, organise with your friends, hang out more, make new friends, and just surround yourself with positive people that will impact your life in a good way. Look who's here with me now! Yay! Woo! Yeah, so I've just stolen her from her house.
Not that I'm complaining that much.
Yeah. Do anything. You need to get out of the house. Be social.
Not my fault I don't have a social life.
But yeah. I'm just chilling. I discovered that I need to be friends with people more.
Yeah, so do
I need to like stay friends with people that I'm already friends with. Like I need to organise to like go out and do stuff but actually stay friends with them.
I'm really bad at that.
Because I always wait for other people to be like, yeah, let's go out, and I'm like, yeah, sure. And then I'm like, I don't see these people for like 3 months. And now we're swinging! And talking about life and stuff because our lives are just not going the way we've planned. Like ever. Ever. But that is life, isn't it? And we're gonna live in the present moment and most of the time, but at the same time we'll like think about the future in a positive way because I want to be more positive in life than I already am. Woo. So yeah, yay for positivity and optimism. Woo! So you probably can't see me as it's a bit dark, but I just dropped Nicola home after just chilling in the park for a little while. So now I'm just walking home, and it was good. I think we decided that we're going to do it every week because yeah, we need to both get out more, and it's fun to just chill and talk. But next time, maybe not stay out so late because now I have to walk home in the dark. Wish me luck. If I don't get home, send help. So I've just come back from my walk. I ran half the way home, so it was tiring. I was like dying. And then I had dinner, which turned out to be KFC, which was a bit, I don't know, pointless. Went for a walk, went for a run, and then had KFC. Oh well, whatever. But yeah, that is the end of today's little vlog. I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye!